Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the margin and padding in the WordPress Gutenberg editor in just 5 minutes. Begin your process by opening your browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, observe the location of the login option, which is typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login option to start the authentication process. After you have clicked to log in, you will see an option that allows you to sign in using your Google account. Proceed by selecting the option that says Continue with Google. When you click on this, a list of your available accounts will be presented. Choose the account you wish to use for logging in. This method simplifies the sign-in process while ensuring your authentication is secure. Once you have successfully logged in with your Google account, your WordPress dashboard will be visible. Look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Within this section, locate and click on the link that indicates you should edit your site. Doing so will take you to the WordPress site editor, which is where you can make design modifications to your website. Now that you are in the site editor, identify the area where you can work on individual content elements. Begin by clicking on the paragraph section you wish to modify. This section is part of your content where typography and text details are presented. By clicking on this area, you will be able to access additional settings specific to the block of content. After selecting the paragraph section, move your attention to the right-hand panel of the editor. In this panel, you will find a tab labeled Block. Clicking on the Block tab will open up a range of customization options tailored to the particular element you have selected. These options provide you with controls that help refine the appearance and layout of your content. Once you have accessed the Block tab, navigate to the Dimensions section. In this section, you are granted control over size attributes such as margin and padding. This is the area where you can make adjustments to the spacing that surrounds your content. The margin refers to the space outside the element, while padding refers to the space within the element boundaries. Within the Dimensions section, you will notice an icon represented by 3 dots, which signals the availability of additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal extra functionality where you can add either a margin or padding adjustment. This step allows you to open up the controls necessary for fine-tuning the spacing around your content. After revealing the additional options, proceed by carefully adjusting the margin and padding settings as needed. You will typically have input fields or sliders that let you specify the exact amount of space you want to use. As you change the values, observe the live preview if available, so you can see how your adjustments affect the overall design of the page. Take your time to experiment with these values until the spacing fits perfectly with your design vision. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully modify the spacing settings in the Gutenberg editor. This enables a professional and balanced layout that enhances the readability and overall visual appeal of your website. Enjoy taking control of your design elements as you create a unique and welcoming online presence using the built-in tools of WordPress.